In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to align text to the left and right on the same line in Microsoft Word. This is perfect for clean, professional layouts like names with dates, item descriptions with prices, or any situation where you want two pieces of information on opposite ends of a single line. Start by placing your cursor on the exact line where you want this formatting. Type the text that should stay on the left side of the page, such as a label, a name, or a short description. Once that's in, press the Tab key once. Word will move your cursor toward the right side of the line, ready for the next piece of text. Now, type the text you want on the right, maybe a date, a total, or a reference number. If everything looks neatly aligned already, great. But often, the right-hand text won't sit exactly where you expect. That's because Word uses default tab stops, which aren't designed for precise right-edge alignment. To lock the right text exactly where you want it, you'll set a right-aligned tab stop. Go to the Home tab, and in the Paragraph group, click the small arrow in the bottom right corner to open the paragraph dialog. At the bottom of that window, click the Tabs button. In the Tabs dialog, look for Tab Stop Position and type a value for where you want the right edge to land. A common choice is 6 inches, which works well on many documents, but feel free to adjust based on your page size and margins. Next, under Alignment, choose Right. Click Set, then click OK. Back in your document, place your cursor on the same line, before the right-hand text, and press Tab once. Your insertion point will snap to that right-aligned tab stop, and whatever you type there will hug that position from the right, keeping your layout clean and consistent. This also means that if your left text gets longer or shorter, the right text stays perfectly aligned. A few tips for smooth results. Use one tab, not a string of spaces, because spaces shift unpredictably. If you already typed the line, you can still set the tab stop and it will apply to that paragraph. And remember, the exact tab stop position depends on your page margins. If your right text doesn't reach far enough, increase the value slightly until it sits where you want. That's all you need to align text on the left and right of the same line quickly and professionally.